Leave the hustle and bustle of everyday life at the end of the driveway. Welcome to over 5.5 acres of complete privacy, where towering oaks and over 600 feet of red river frontage create your own park-like atmosphere. This isn't just a home, this is a place to slow down, reconnect, and enjoy nature the way it was meant to be. Whether you're entertaining on one of the many patios or relaxing in the hot tub or simply enjoying the peaceful views from the vaulted great room, every day here feels like a getaway. Now come with me, let's go check out this amazing home.